AI video creation platforms continue evolving rapidly, with many tools now offering automated video generation, animation, and editing features inside a single workflow. Some platforms focus mainly on marketing content and template-based production, while others are actually designed around cinematic storytelling, creative flexibility, and advanced visual control. This has actually created a growing space where creators can experiment with AI-generated scenes, motion effects, and dynamic visual styles without relying entirely on traditional editing software. One of the major trends among newer AI video tools is the integration of multiple creative systems into one platform. Instead of separating text generation, animation, visual effects, and scene editing across different applications, many modern AI platforms combine these features into a more unified production environment. This actually helps simplify the content creation process and allow the creators to move from concept to finished video more efficiently. Advanced motion controls and cinematic editing features actually became a key area of development, and some of the AI video tools now offer virtual camera movements, scene transitions, visual styling options, and animation controls that gives the creators more influence over the final presentation. These features are especially useful for short films, social media videos, gaming content, music visuals, and narrative-driven projects where atmosphere and pacing are important. Another growing focus in AI video generation is character consistency and scene continuity, and newer systems are improving their ability to maintain visual identity across multiple shots, helping those creators produce more cohesive storytelling experiences. And it is combined with automated effects, audio synchronization, and real-time editing adjustments. These tools are actually transforming AI video creation in a more interactive and creative process for the digital content production. For more artificial intelligence tools and information, make sure to consider subscribing. That way you will not miss out on any of the new uploads. Now, we'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.